Hello everyone, and welcome to today's character design challenge. I had recorded this earlier, but the video file got corrupted and there's a bunch of technical difficulties. So I have a drawing already done, as well as the prompt. I'm gonna do a more refined version of the drawing for your enjoyment. And I will be doing a voiceover with narration for some background on this character. So sorry about the technical difficulties and that I don't have the entire process, but please enjoy the video. The world became a dangerous place. All governments began to fail. There was no law. Mobs rampaged through the streets. Diseases spread like wildfire. The scientist had discovered a way to travel through time. He planned to fix the world and restore order. But a thief came in the night. He stole the device. 3 orbs that would allow time travel. The thief activated them, and he was sent back in time to the Victorian age. He had no idea how to work the device to travel to specific moments in time, so he had to resort to his talent of stealing to get by. The orbs would follow him around, and as time passed, the thief learned more about them. He began to use the orbs to help in his schemes. The Time Thief was born. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and look out for more to come in the coming weeks. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Farewell.